Right now, three major contenders are fighting for your AI video generation credits: Seedance 2.5, Seedance 2.0, and MiniMax H3. But knowing which one to pick requires looking past the brand names. It's tempting to assume that the most expensive model is a universal solution. In reality, these tools are highly specialized. A model that generates a photorealistic landscape might completely fall apart when you ask it to sync audio to a character's lips. To find the actual value of your credits, we can map model performance against the specific requirements of a production. Most creator projects generally fall into one of four areas: generating recognizable IP, like celebrities, technical VFX editing, music-driven content, or standard stock footage. To see how these hold up, we ran them all through Lua AI. Since it uses a unified credit system, we can see exactly how much each specific type of generation costs across different models. Managing your credit budget requires matching a model's specific engineering focus to your exact script requirements. Let's look at the data. MiniMax H3 is currently the budget-conscious option. At 120 credits for a 15-second generation, it's significantly cheaper than its direct competitors. Our performance comparison shows some clear outliers for MiniMax H3, particularly in how it handles intellectual property and environmental physics. MiniMax stands out for its ability to generate recognizable, copyrighted IP from simple text prompts. It can successfully render celebrity faces and specific TV show aesthetics without needing a reference image. This makes it a powerful tool for fan creators, though the use of recognizable IP remains a significant legal consideration for commercial productions. It also demonstrated a specific mastery over fluid physics. In a test to fill a wine glass exactly to the brim, MiniMax was the only model to successfully simulate the liquid stopping at the edge without overflowing. However, that physics engine doesn't translate to human anatomy. Action scenes, such as a choreographed fight, frequently degrade into distorted, cartoonish shapes. It also struggles with video-to-video editing. When fed existing footage and asked to alter specific details, it fails to maintain the original structure. Direct audio is another weak point. The model often struggles with lip syncing, sometimes generating distorted, screaming audio instead of matching the provided dialogue. MiniMax H3 is a strong choice for budget B-roll and IP-based content, but it isn't currently viable for dialogue-heavy scenes or professional post-production. Seedance 2.0 sits in the middle of the price range at 150 credits per 15 seconds. As the data indicates, Seedance 2.0 is a consistent middle ground performer. It avoids the catastrophic failures of budget models, but lacks the high-end precision of the 2.5 version. It is particularly effective for standard text-to-video prompts. It handles motion physics reliably and maintains environmental consistency during complex camera movements like wide zoom-outs. Its primary limitation is facial realism. Because it lacks the refined detail of newer models, users may find themselves spending extra credits on rerolls to get human features looking natural. For creators who need high-quality stock footage and standard landscapes, Seedance 2.0 offers a sustainable balance between cost and aesthetic quality. Seedance 2.5 is the most expensive option at 300 credits per generation. At this price point, the model is built for specific technical tasks. Our testing shows that 2.5 trades physical simulation for precision in editing and audio synchronization. Its most significant feature is video-to-video editing. It can identify and modify specific elements within a shot while leaving the rest of the environment untouched. In our test, we removed a chair, added a beard to the subject, and inserted a walking cat. Seedance 2.5 performed these edits while maintaining a stable background and consistent lighting. It is also the current standard for audio processing. When provided with an external track, it can sync facial movements and lip shapes with high accuracy. This extends to complex movements. During a music test, the model attempted to match the character's hand positions and finger-picking patterns to the actual chords in the folk song. Cautionary, however, the 300 credit cost makes mistakes expensive. If the AI hallucinates a hand movement or misses a visual detail, a single correction costs as much as 2 generations on other models. Curiously, it failed the wine glass test that MiniMax passed, showing that higher cost doesn't always correlate with better physics simulation. Seedance 2.5 is an essential tool for VFX work and dialogue. but the high credit cost makes it less suitable for general experimentation. Optimizing your workflow means selecting the specific model designed for the task in your script. We use a selection map to route prompts. For public figures, IP, or fluid physics, choose MiniMax H3. For stock footage and cinematic landscapes, Seedance 2.0 is your sustainable daily choice. For modifying existing footage or dialogue, Seedance 2.5's precision is worth the premium. The data shows that forcing a budget model to handle precise editing leads to wasted credits, just as using a premium model for simple backgrounds is a misuse of your budget. Professional results come from treating these models as specialized tools within a pipeline. Selecting the right model for the right shot is how you maintain creative control over the final export.